This is a cordless angle grinder I want to show you today. It comes with two 21-volt batteries. These are kind of heavy duty. They slide onto it like this. They come fully charged, or at least that's how it arrived at my house. You can press the button on the batteries and see that it's fully charged. There's an indicator once you have it, battery charge, but also the speed. There are 3 speeds. You can use this button. I'll show you. You can use that button to select 1, 2, or 3 speeds. That's the high speed. This is the chuck wrench that you can use to loosen. You should take the battery off before you do this, but you can use that to loosen the nut right here. There's a button on the back that you push to hold it in place. So once you have that all the way pressed in, you can use that wrench to loosen it and take that off. And here's where you could add discs, a cutoff disc or a sanding disc or whatever. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to show with this. It has threads in it, so you screw it on yourself, and it has Velcro on the front. And you can use that. They included quite a lot of discs, sanding discs, and cut discs. Anyway, so this goes on like that. Use the button on the back to get it tight. That's tight. I'll take out one of the sanding discs. You can put the sanding disc right onto the Velcro, the hook and loop attachment. And then if I put the battery back on, now, ready to use it. The box that it comes in is really great. There's a place for the wrench. I have to turn it that way. Has an extra handle. This screws onto the tool right here. You could put it on either side. I'm right-handed, so I'll probably use it mostly like this. But you could put the handle here too. It comes with 2 batteries. These are 21-volt, 4-amp-hour batteries. They fit nicely in the case here. The tool, we can take the handle back off. I just want to show you how well it all fits in the case. This is a really great case for it. Okay, I wanted to demonstrate this guard. You can flip this over, and then you can adjust it and put it where you want it. And then you flip this back, and that's how it tightens. And so with that, it's held in place. I want to show you the wheels, or the different types of materials that it comes with. These are all 100 grit, and it looks like there's about 8 of them. There's this wheel, this grinding wheel, and then let's see how many. Looks like 6 of these cutoff wheels. These are really great for cutting rebar. You should be able to just slice right through it. Here's how you can install the cutoff wheels. Just put it on there, make sure it's in the center, and then this nut tightens down over it. Press the button on the back and twist it tight. So I'm going to put everything back in the case. It fits really snug. This is padded, and this is pretty solid, pretty sturdy. It'll hold all these wheels. And the sanding discs. And then you can put the sanding disc backer here too. Comes with instructions. Comes with a charging cable that plugs into the batteries right here, and you plug it into your wall. I'm going to put this back in. It's a sturdy case. I like this product. I think it's a really good value for the money. I was compensated for this video. I hope it helps.